How to find the trash folder on Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can find the trash folder in Canva. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. So simply open up your Canva first. So after you open up your Canva, make sure you're logged in into your account. So what you'll need to do after you here is on the left hand side, right above create, you'll find three lines and that is the menu. Expand on that and here at the bottom of the bar that just popped up, tap on the trash option and there is where the trash is. Now you can find all of your designs, images, videos and files that you have downloaded on the trash. You can also head over to any other section such as shared with you, and if someone has shared anything with you and you've deleted it, it'll end up right here. And the other one is for available offline. And that's it for today. That's where you find trash for your Canva. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.